The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you the perfect planner.
You'll need paper, color pen, pencil and a scale. Time is often an abstract concept for young children. Schedules help them plan ahead and map concrete activities to the time of the day. They can be especially helpful for establishing expectations and structuring a child's day. Today, we'll build perfect planners to learn and follow routines. Build one at the beginning of your day and rearrange as the day goes by. Take an A4 sheet and divide it into 4 columns, one each for morning, afternoon, evening and night. Title the page with the name or picture of the child and the date. Together, fill up the schedule with activities planned for the day. You can both draw or write the details according to your communication preference. Once ready, put it up on the fridge or any other accessible location. At the end of the day, ask your children to revisit this schedule. Check off all activities you did in the day. Add or subtract anything that changed. Log these in a folder to revisit on a later day. You can create a weekly or a monthly planner for older kids. Give them a journal to plan and document their days. Incentivize wherever required. For children who respond better to visual aids, use activity flashcards. Bravo! You are now a perfect planner.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.